we've gone to site, we've inspected the floors, we've done our preparation, we've fixed cracks if need be. We've applied our vapor screen in a 2-coat application onto the floor. And the next step would be to put our second product in the leveling system onto that surface, which is called the Tel Primer Coat. The purpose of the primer coat was actually to create an interface between the moisture barrier system and the self-leveling screed, which gets applied on top of it, which is the next step of the process we're going to talk about now. Once you've applied it, allow it to cure. When it cures, it'll actually matte off completely. It dulls down, and the light green color that it is becomes a bit darker. It's always good to do some sort of test on the surface just to see if there's any transfer of the primer coat onto your hand, or whether you can deface it by scuffing your shoe on top of the surface. If you can, the material still needs to cure a little bit longer. If you can't, then you should be good to go for the next application.